This is the new water pump guard for the 23 KTM Husqvarna 250, 350 4-stroke models. We're going to do a little instructional video on how to put it on. It just utilizes these 2 points here. This is the clutch cover case bolt, and then one of the water pump cover bolts themselves. It'll go right in there and protect the hose and the pump. First thing you want to do is remove the clutch cover bolt. And then the water pump cover bolt. And don't be alarmed, you may get a couple dribbles of coolant coming out of there, but it should not drain all of the coolant out. You'll take the OEM bolts out, and then in the kit will be supplied 5mm longer than stock bolts to go back in there. So you line your guard up, and slide both bolts in. There we go. Snug them both up. And ready to ride.